Hello!
Привет!
Welcome back to Mango Languages series on the Russian alphabet. So today, Lauren, we're going to look at 6 letters that you already know.
Let's do it!
Today, we're actually going to learn about 6 letters that you already know, and they are the same look and same sound as English. We've also got 2 vowels in the mix there. So this is M as in map. Next one is the letter K. Next one is S as in say. And a note about the C in Russian is that it will never sound like a K. So unlike in English where C can be both that C, the S, and the K sound, Russian it's always going to be a S sound. All right, so the next letter is T. T. So it's similar to Tom, but it is slightly different in that your tongue is actually touching the roof of your mouth right behind your front teeth. So it's more of like a T.
Te. Te.
Yeah, so a little bit different from English.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so next we've got, this is O, as in, if you're saying Boston with a Boston accent, like Boston. O.
O.
Perfect.
O.
Nice. All right, lastly, we have A, as in far.
Ah.
So remember, the best way to practice what you learn here is with our Russian course, so just hit that link in the description below. All right, Lauren, now it's your turn to start reading. You ready?
Let's do it.
I think you got this. All right, first one.
Как.
Yep, как.
Как.
And it means how. Next one.
Toast.
Yeah, you seem a little unsure, but you got it almost right. Toast.
Toast.
And it means toast. Next one.
Mama.
Excellent. Yep, mama.
Mama.
Mom. And the last one.
Maska.
Yeah, nice. Yep, maska. Mask. All right, so we got all the letters that we studied today.
Okay.
And I'm going to take away some for you now and see if you can put them together. So, we've got 3 letters left.
Okay.
I know, this is like a puzzle.
This is a puzzle.
Right? But I think
I
you
like
got it.
puzzles. Okay.
So we've got 3 letters here. Can you sound them out for me?
Sto. Oh, 100.
You did it. Yeah.
Sto.
Exactly. Sto.
Sto. That's very different. The C and the T next to one another. I'm not used to seeing
But
those.
in English, you have S and T right next to each other all the time.
True. Yeah. Actually, wow. Wow. That was mind-blowing.
I know.
That was great.
Right?
Okay, cool.
So this one.
Kot.
Close. Close. Kot.
Kot.
And it means
Cat.
yeah. It's actually, if you want to get real specific, it's the word for a male cat. All right, next one.
Mocked.
But that's C.
Oh, the C is an S.
Yeah.
Okay. Most.
Yep. Most.
Most.
Can you guess what that means?
Is it a bridge?
It is a bridge. This one?
Katu. Katu. No.
Real close. You just have to kind of read the letters a little bit more smoothly together. So it's kto.
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 Yeah. Very quickly it goes from K to T. That transition is real quick. Yeah, that was good.
I'm gonna need to practice this one.
Hey, that's okay. That's okay. That's why we're here. And so this means who.
Who.
Yep.
Okay.
And then got another one for you.
Tom. Tom.
Yep. Tam.
Thumb.
Yeah.
I need to be more direct.
Yeah.
With my. I like say it with like inflection at the end, and I need to just.
Yeah. But that inflection is actually really good for the next one. It's our last one.
Okay.
And it's actually gonna be 2 words you just learned, but we're gonna put them together.
Gotcha. Kto tam? Who's there?
Kto tam?
Kto tam?
Yeah. Or like kto tam?
Kto tam?
And you're just asking who's there. So if I'm just like,
Oh.
our very stable table.
Knock knock.
Kto tam? Make sure that you hit that like button and you subscribe so that you know when our next video is coming out, and also comment below with any questions or feedback that you might have for us. Head over to our Russian course for more words and phrases, and you can start practicing today. Also, you can hit that link in the description to get there.
Thanks for watching.
До свидания.
Bye.